Hey, what's up, guys? Back again with another random pack rip from Finnegan Sports Cards, 518-218-0578. No, I'm not with Finnegan Sports Cards. That's just who I go to get all my cards. And he's awesome. And I love going there. And it's a great guy. And I got some random packs to open today. The big pack today is going to be this 2013 Heritage Baseball. It came up on a case, or a few cases of this. You can get a Mike Trout high number card in there. These things are like $20 a pack. Mike Trout is a short print. It's probably going to be a little tough. Got some other stuff here too. We'll just go through it one at a time. You know what? Let's start out with this this Topps goodness. Let's see if we can't get us Lewis Robert. Sell them for freaking $30 each now. Guys played 5 games. So let's see what we can do. I have so much of this stuff. I have actually, no lie, 20 Lewis Roberts. Probably should start thinking about sending them out to get graded. Bruzdar. I think that is a photo variation. Bruzdar. Let's see. The serial number is a 99. Not a photo variation. But you know what's crazy? I just looked at the back of this card to figure it out. And you think they're working out together? Because they make the same pitching face. Same Mr. Pitchy face. This one's got a freaking hit in it. Oh, yeah, it does. I got that pack. I think it's got a hit in it. Or that's got, like, way more extra cards than it should. Carrasco. Edwin Rios, rookie. Nate Lau. Ravello, rookie. Garantiti. There we go. Mark Kahana. Foil. Victor Robles, Gold Cup. No, it didn't have a hit in it. All right, so this one had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 cards in it. With the Bruzdar from this pack, it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cards. So, 19 card pack. Thanks, Topps. Sick. Let's do some Diamond Kings. This one's got a hit in it. Either that or it's a spacer. What do you guys think? It's a hit. It's a freaking hit. Move it to the back. Kirby Puckett aficionado. Randy Johnson Diamond Kings. Jonathan Daza rookie card. Kurt Schilling. Jimmy Fox. Bobby Bradley Jr. Ba-boom. It's not really a big ba-boom. It's just a small ba-boom. But Bobby Bradley. That one is not numbered, I don't think. No, sir, isn't. Bobby Bradley Jr. You know what? I actually got cases that hold these thickums today. Bobby was a bad boy. Let's see. Let's do... Oh, look at these cheapies. Let's do some big league. Newman, Rendon, Keuchel, Schwarber, Snell, Javi Baez, Orange. Of some guys. Victor Robles and Jose Abreu. Another big league. Oh, look at that. I got some brand new 2020 Elite football down there. Take a look at that together. Freddie, Didi, Yelly, Acuna, Will Smith, Eugenio, Charlie Blackmon Orange, Matt Chapman Caricature, and holy crap, look at that. I don't even know if I have it. I've opened a lot of big league, but I don't know if I've ever gotten the Mike Trout base. because there's like 17 Mike Trout cards in there. Well, that is a thick sleeve. I'm always down for a Trout. Good one, champions. Ready to pull some American Ninja Warriors, everybody? Maybe a lion or a tiger card. I opened a box of this yesterday. Holy crap. Spacers galore. And Spacer. Okay, so nobody there. Optic Pro Debut. Bowman in the Heritage Pack. Let's open the Pro Debut. Josh Young. Pereira. Rutledge. Hey, there's a green Grayson Rodriguez. What's that one, number 2? 99. Okay. Logan Gilbert. Kessinger. Muller. And Kentia. Nope, that's a thick sleeve again. I'm just going to throw that on the ground because screw that sleeve. Another Pro Debut. You know, I'm dying for a Bobby Witt autograph. I've gotten everybody but Bobby Witt and all kinds of products. Alec Bohm, Krause, Gorman, Marsh, Casas, and Sanford. So nobody really there. Oh boy. Let's do some Optic. I love me some Optic. Kyle Hendricks. Joe Palumbo, rookie. Susugo, rookie. Silver. That's a nice one. And Joe Adell, prospects. Susugo is on fire. Absolutely on fire. Solak, rookie. Bellinger. Hey, look at that. It's unnumbered. But it's another Nico Horner autograph. I just sold about 5 of these. Not of Optic, but Nico nonetheless. Joe Rodriguez loves him some Nico. Shout out to you, Joe. Jim Rice. Base. Still looking for a Luis Robert base card. Anthony K, rookie. George Brett, silver. And Paul Goldschmidt, illusions. It's an illusion. All right. Down to these packs. Let's do Bowman. It's always a good start with Mike Trout. Frankie Lindor, Brendan McKay, Rookie of the Year favorites. Jesus Sanchez, Marquez Campusano, Big Madrigal Chrome. Nick Allen. Wow, no first Bowmans in there. That was the worst pack of Bowman ever. All right, 2020 Donruss Elite Football. Pretty expensive for Elite Football this year. These are $15 a pack, which is like, whoa. Oh, they're shiny. Mark Ingram, McCaffrey, A.J. Brown, die cut, number to 89. Leonard Fournette, and DK Metcalf. Okay, so that's what Elite Football is. Aspirations. All right, now the time to get super lucky. Let's. Oh, I doubt it, but it'll be fun trying, won't it? That's Johnny Venters, Jared Parker, Charlie Manuel, Francisco Liriano, Bud Black, Ramos, and Brantley, rookie cards. Juan Segura, and Christian Frederick. So, no Mike Trout. Let's take a look and recap this. It was a short break. Thanks for sticking with me. Like, comment, and subscribe. Again, I get these all down at Finnegan Sports Cards, 518-218-0578. Pull this Ramos, A.J. Brown, 289. Madrigal Chrome, McKay Rookie, Trout Base, K, Solak, Joe Adele, Sisugo Silver, Palumbo, Jonathan, Edwin Rios, Ravello, Kahana, and Gratterall. And the other stuff. Here's a Nico Horner autograph. Nico Horner. Grayson Rodriguez as well to 99. Not an auto. Mike Trout base. And Bobby Bradley. Dual patch autograph from Diamond Kings. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Hey, I'm still having problems at retail. I am trying so hard to find you guys from retail, and I can't. So keep your eyes peeled. If I do come out with a retail review, I will be hitting like Targets and Walmarts and just blowing it up. I'll buy a whole shit ton of it, and we'll open it together. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.